In the upcoming episode, Song and Hiju wake up in shock, staring at each other in disbelief. Neither had expected to be in the same room, let alone sleep there until morning. During breakfast, the tension is palpable as Song's lingering suspicion of Hiju makes his sarcastic glances hard to miss. Meanwhile, Hiju becomes suspicious of a woman she believes might be Ina. Attempting to confirm her suspicions, Hiju reaches out to touch the woman from behind. Song's mind races as he pieces together clues about the mysterious caller from 406, determined to uncover the truth. In the process, he stumbles upon a personal item belonging to Hiju that reveals an unexpected side of her. Confused and intrigued, Song wonders if Hiju is the person he thought she was. When Hiju realizes what Song has found, she panics and tries to snatch it back. In the struggle, they both fall onto the bed, landing in an awkward yet electrifying moment that sends their hearts racing. As Hiju debates whether to reveal the truth, she suggests they have an open conversation, asking each other questions. Song realizes that what Hiju craves is sincerity and affection, a revelation that brings tears to her eyes as she silently confirms his guess. Later, as Hiju sleeps beside him, Song watches her quietly, shielding her from the sunlight with tender care, cherishing the fragile moment of peace between them. Their bond continues to grow during an outdoor activity. Despite Song's cold demeanor, the subtle attention he shows Hiju leaves her flustered and questioning the side of him she's seeing for the first time. These fleeting moments of smiles, hugs, and unspoken emotions create an undeniable connection. However, their serenity is shattered on a tense night when Song frantically searches for Hiju in the forest, shouting her name as fear grips him, leaving viewer wondering what danger has unfolded. In another pivotal moment, Song's composure cracks when he hears Hiju's voice, his rare tenderness catching her off guard. "Let me know if anything happens," he says softly, leaving Hiju's heart fluttering at his vulnerability. As the bonds between Song and Hiju deepen and tensions reach their peak, unanswered questions linger, and emotions run high. Will Song uncover the truth behind his suspicions, or will his growing feelings for Hiju cloud his judgment? And can Hiju find the courage to reveal her secrets before it's too late? Don't miss the next episode as their journey takes another unexpected turn, where love, trust, and danger collide. Stay tuned for more.